here, one weld here, one weld here.
Oh man.
It's getting a quarter.
I told him I was already nervous with once we started getting this side, we knew that whoever did that side, the same owner owned the car when they got this side done, so it probably was a good chance that it wasn't done correctly. And sure enough.
Yeah, further investigation, that quarter panel junk. They put it on wrong. Once we started finding the bad stuff on the other side where they did the repairs, it made me nervous. I went underneath the car, looked at a couple spots, ran my hand in, and I didn't like what I felt. So I decided I'd dig into it a little bit and see exactly what was going on. And I mean, it's welded. It's got a spot weld here, spot weld here, a spot weld here, and one here. But other than that, it's just fiberglass and bondo. And you can see how thick it is. So it's going to be better for the car, but it's getting the new left quarter panel. I had hopes that maybe the guys did one side right at the other shop. But further investigation showed that it's not good. So we're going to bring it up like we did that side. We're going to put a nice quarter on this side. We're going to move it out of where we got it now, move it over there so it's a little more accessible. We're going to do that probably tomorrow. And then I'm going to knock it up, cut off the quarter. It'll give me a chance to finish up the inside of the wheel well like I did the other one with the quarter off. So I can pretty that all up nice, pretty. Put the extra reinforcements that I couldn't get at doing this while I got it apart. And she'd be solid as a rock. But this was kind of, I was hoping this wasn't what was under here, but finding what went on that side with the aluminum tape and shit, it's like, no, we gotta dig into this corner and see what the hell we got. And the second I dug in and found this seam like this, it's like, no, it's gone. It's time for another quarter panel. Yeah. I mean, this here would, 3 years down the road, this thing would be popping and cracking and going shit house. So we're gonna take this one off, get the new one ready, put the new one on. Fortunately, we had ordered the new one for it, so it's here. But it'll be a lot quicker, and then we clean up inside here nice, pretty. You know, it'll be a hell of a lot better job. You know, but this was kind of what I was hoping wasn't there. Was, and that's, I mean. That's just way too much. You can see like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 coats of bondo and 1 coat of fiberglass to make what they did on there. You can see the lamination in the bondo from the different coats they put on, but this will be metal, a little skim of, you know, whatever putty on it for whatever needs to be chased out. But yeah, she was what I didn't want. I was hoping I wasn't going to have to do this. Really was hoping. I was hoping somebody, someplace did a nice job. But, nope. I was hoping, but like most hopes, you know, you get heartbroken. I'm going to dig in here and see how deep this is. A lot of bondo. Yeah, it's self-explanatory at this point. So we ain't gonna grind it up no more. We'll cut that panel off after we move the car. Get this thing back where it should be. We already rebuilt all this, was rotted out and had bondo filled in on it, so I made the new pieces for here, which don't come on the new quarter panel. And then we'll just make, you know, hopefully, like this looks good. I haven't hit it with the grinder yet, but that side looked good until I hit it with the grinder and it turned into aluminum tape. So, matter of fact, while I'm at it.
Okay, we got it.
Bondo build, so I'm gonna have to make, like I did on that side, I'm gonna have to make this cap new. But, you know, as you can see there, that's just Bondo. They stuffed it. All body filler. So I'm gonna pick a new end cap like I did on that side. Yeah, we're trying, but unfortunately whoever did this before didn't do it that good.
You look down in here, you can see that all of this stuff right here is ate up. And then you can go inside and get, well, inside you can kind of see how much it is on the inside. It looks as if like the rust built from the inside out. Like, cause all of that on the inside is more rotted out. This is a little more solid and it's starting to peek through at the bottom and at the top. But on the inside, if you look at it, you can see up. See all the corrosion? Look like it rotted from the inside out, which is kind of doable because if water sit inside from it leaking, it's just a lot of rust. We're gonna try to save this piece.
Yep. Yeah.
Repair it down here.
Yep.
Repair it up here.
Yep.
And then replace the inside piece because this is
all,
still
it's all shit.
Yeah.
Because I got that old piece of the wheel well in there. I still got to cut out.
Okay.
That old piece in there. That's got to go bye-bye too while we're at it. This shit was all stuffed in there. That shit was all stuffed inside the. There's pieces of it over there. All this shit, all that came out of inside there. Somebody filled it up with dum-dum rather than repairing it. Getting the rough shape of the wheelhouse done. The other side wasn't rusted as bad. It needed this brace redone and a little bit down here was rusted, but nothing like this side. This side, there's nothing there.